Oh, you gotta let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Steve with Mission Uber. It's a YouTube channel that documents my journey as I drive down the deck while having a little fun driving Uber as I do it. Thank you, Mr. Dave Ramsey, for the inspiration. Saturday night comes to an end. Oh, yeah, I crushed it. I had a week of no Uber driving because this car needed a new water pump and a new door sensor, so I was unable to drive Monday through Friday. So I knew that Saturday I had to get out and go crazy. I am depositing a check from my credit union to pay for the car repairs. $400 that I had in my emergency fund. If you watch Dave Ramsey, you know you need to have money set aside for emergencies. Car repairs aren't supposed to be for emergencies, but for me it is. So I'm going to deposit the cash into my account here. That's a lock window. In the meantime, while I'm doing this, why don't you go ahead and check out highlights from my Saturday night driving. Specifically, check out my debt clock and see how I did. Oh, you gotta let me know. Should I stay or should I go? Hi, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
Thanks for waiting.
Oh, no, I appreciate you coming all the way out here.
It's fine. I live kind of near here.
Oh, I love the lights.
Thanks. I get a lot of good stuff like that. I got a camera here. I'll do a compilation. Is this a road? Oh!
It's hard to see with the snow. It's okay.
I was like looking for a street sign.
Yeah, no. And I think somebody said too that the street sign, it was knocked down, I think. So it's this road right here.
Oh, okay, here it is.
Yeah, it's not very far. It's so weird.
Hey, I got another clip from my from my compilation. This one right here, we're past that. Okay. Well, I'll ask you, can you be on my channel?
Absolutely.
That's all right. Okay, cool. So you'll see it.
And I will definitely look and subscribe and I'll share it.
Cool.
All right.
Are you here, right here?
This is perfect.
This is perfect.
All right.
All right.
You have a good evening.
Thank you very much. It will be soon enough.
Okay, take
All right,
care.
take care. Hey, how you doing?
Enter your pickup at 122 Hamlin Road.
So you were a little bit farther down. Sorry about that.
Pickup at 122 Hamlin Road.
What's that?
I said always send the wrong address.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the Uber app, right? It's so annoying. Hi, sir. How are you doing?
41 Sydney Street.
All right. You must be going to work on a day like this.
Yeah. My favorite spot, Santoros.
Oh, yeah?
I love it, man. Fucking love it.
Good food
There
there.
7 years.
Yeah? Okay. All right.
Oh, it's okay. All right,
Hey,
guys,
guys,
put
how
your
you
seatbelt
doing?
on. Everybody say hello.
New York City?
Well, we came through New York City. We're actually from Long Island.
Oh, it's even longer.
Here for a concert.
Oh, yeah? What concert's that?
AJR.
I've heard of them.
Not too new wave, but
EGR.
AJR.
AJR. Oh.
Way up we go. Been up and down that road.
That's a long way to go. They're not coming to Long Island?
Oh, please. This is the second time they've been here. They came up in November for the concert with their grandmother, and it got canceled. This is the makeup.
Are you kidding me?
I wish I were.
Oh. Hey guys, how's it going?
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
Well, be honest, man, I don't know if we were gonna make it.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, it was a little hairy on that 90. All right, have a really good rest of your day.
It was awesome.
Thanks. Thou must shower, my friend. Get a shower, people.
I know they say I am the person at work that tells all my business, and that's only because I don't care. It's life.
I'm like that too. I share a lot about myself with people. People be like, some things I share, people are like, why are you telling me
Well,
this?
yeah, well,
I'm like,
I'm
I
not
just want to.
ashamed
Hey brother, how's it going? Good, good. How's it going?
How are you?
Good. Pick up for Daniel?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on tonight?
Trying to get to work.
Yeah, you're not alone. Everybody's getting Ubers and Lyfts to get their work to. Hello, there you are. Thank you for yelling. I'm like, where is this place?
I just got to tiptoe because it's icy.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, you're fine. Here, can you hold this like 1 second?
Yeah, absolutely. I had a feeling it was in this plaza,
Yeah.
but then I look on this thing and it says you're across the street.
Like, yeah.
So that's typical of the.
Oh, you can blow a horn on your Okay.
All right. Well, we
My
got
poor
you.
mom. I've had a right knee surgery. I've had a right shoulder surgery to prepare my rotator. I've had the 2 neck surgeries. I'm good.
God, you're like an
I'm not a
athlete.
human cutting board. That's what I told him. I'm like,
Yeah. NFL players don't have that many
I don't even think
surgeries.
some of these people have nowhere near this many. And then disability denies me. And I'm like, how?
Yeah, you got it.
I do have a lot of company. My mom is texting. So that's okay, you don't want to text me. I see you in the little car. Are you? Yes, my mother. Oh, she got her app still.
Oh,
Watch
sure.
us.
Watch, making sure that you're safe.
I love her. I love my mom.
Tell her you had the best Lyft driver ever.
Right. And I'm going to tell her to give you 5 stars on your app.
Thank you.
So I am home. You can take it off now. Stop stalking us. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mom.
And when you click on it, it'll send you the receipt. You're gonna do a review. Give him 5 stars. Clean car, clean everything. Great conversation. She said, "Thank you, Steve."
Thank you.
No, you don't have to stalk this man. Have a good night, man.
God bless you.
God bless you.
All right.
Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.
All right, I'm home.
All right, well, that's a look at some of my rides on a Saturday night. A little tricky there for a little while. All that snow sliding around, got a little nuts. But overall, did all right. So for now, subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications button, like the video, and all that thumbs up, and comment below. Love to hear from you. For now, this is Steve, Mission Uber. See you.